I'm gonna poop in your mouth. I'm gonna poop in your mouth.
You'll eat my butt.
I'm gonna poop in your mouth.
No. Tell her. Smack her. Say no. We get fries.
I'm gonna poop in your mouth.
Oh my.
What's yours?
Abby, be nice. Come on.
What? 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 My phone.
My phone.
My phone.
It looks like your mama's phone.
My phone. Why is Chick-fil-A open?
It's open on Sunday for real.
No, it's not.
Today's Sunday.
Yeah.
And I said it's open on Sunday for real, and you said no.
Well, it's never open on Sunday, but there's people there. But they always have those cones, so nobody can get
I
past.
don't know. Maybe they're doing something special. Maybe they're having a church convention.
Natalia, we give them fries.
Thanks for choosing Wayne. We'll give you guys some moment, please.
All right.
Fries.
Guys, cut fries.
We're getting fries. Natalia.
Hey.
We're getting fries. We're not getting fries. Natalia. Shh.
It's all right. I just want 4 of your value natural cut fries.
Anything else?
No, that'll be it. It's $4.41. I've got 5 and a penny.
Want two fries? Fries.
Yeah, you can get some.
Natalia.
Jamie's getting some fries. Okay? You're gonna get some fries, baby girl.
Fries?
Uh-huh.
Fries.
You get some fries, baby. Because you're beautiful.
You're what?
Just get out of her face is what she's saying.
I'm not in her face.
You're gonna get some fries, baby.
Yeah, that's your fries. And your face.
No, she's telling you to get out of her face.
Not in her face.
Abigail.
Yeah, that is your face. Yeah, that's my face.
She's just poopy. Natalia, I love you.
Do you want any ketchup?
No, thank you.
There you go.
All right, thanks a lot.
Give me a couple minutes. Sorry about that. If you'll pull over to the side,
I can
ma'am,
just
we'll
grab
bring
them.
out.
It's okay.
We'll bring some fresh ones out.
Are you sure?
It's going to take a couple of minutes if you pull over to the side. Sorry about that.
It's all right. I could have grabbed them. I could have just opened the door and grabbed them, Abby.
I know.
I feel bad. I feel so bad.